Alright. Just state your name for us, please.
Shantell White.
Alright, you heard the sentencing.
Yes.
Your reaction?
My reaction is that I'm not pleased. I'm not pleased about this whole situation. There's no justice there. All of these people just sit down and cook up their story. You understand me? Brother, I tell you, alive, when the rain fall, no fault, one man will stop. Remember that. Life is one big road, a lot of sign.
What has it been like for you since the incident leading up to this point? Emotional in terms of your family and all that?
Boy, I tell you, people can't tell you the story because everybody's supposed to feel the pain once you have a child. And you get a pitney or whatever where you want to be. You wouldn't feel so good. No, man. If it was a big man, child, it wouldn't be like this. You understand me, amigo? Trust me, I'm here sitting down and even get the opportunity to go in the court and even get a saying to say something and see why it have to be like this. You get me? I'm so fed up. I just was upset my youth.
Finally, how do you remember your daughter?
Shani is wonderful, man. Shani is a baby girl that love me so much and she loved me so much. And she met me there at Jamaica, Because I remember when I was overseas, said, Daddy come. I'm sick on the bed. So Daddy come home. And we do him have to do for me. See me I do it. Yeah. And she, when I come back home, and she had the one help me. Move me around, help me, whatever. The little finance. Same way. Out all the pickings what she working. Understand? She see that me go well. When we start to talk about him build place, he build what kind of place? It's my place. You understand me?
How the sentencing should have been a longer period. You should have got more time.
Of course it should have got. It's a murder. It's a murder case. It's not a no. What they call it? Manslaughter. It's not a manslaughter case, it's a murder case. Everybody see the clip. But you know what? Then the next thing. True, we never apply a liar. We never put a liar in the case. Because everybody did know what's going on and see what's taking place. So we think that we would get all a justice. A justice would be in place for her. And see that, okay, 25 years, 30 years or whatever, life or whatever.
You don't feel that.
And they don't feel. If it was, as I said before, if it was a big man, pitney man, you wouldn't go like this, brother. You wouldn't go so.
Alright, you heard it. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us.
Yeah, man, have a good day, man. Trust me, man. And then private party for us.